Welcome to 2024, and dare I say it, this is a year that is filled with potential for your business. After a punishing last 2 years in the innovation space, the investment landscape is now becoming more positive. So in the outcome of this video I want to give you some key strategies that can help you achieve an accelerated start to 2024. As mentioned, the business environment is showing some promising signs. While valuations are conservative, adapting to this new reality is essential for forward momentum. The markets of 2021 are not coming back anytime soon. Let me make that clear. So here are some of the signals that you should be looking at. The first one is the Bitcoin halving and also the Bitcoin ETF approvals. This event can significantly impact market dynamics, particularly if your business impacts with digital finance or in tech sectors in general. The reality is people that make money out of the crypto space will then actually reinvest it back into innovation companies as well as part of their own personal diversification strategy. The NASDAQ is on the rise. The expansion of the NASDAQ in 2023, once again, you've got to remember high net worth family office investors have also been investing into tech-related stocks in the US. So when they experience gains on their share market portfolios, they typically then tend to reinvest that back into the innovation space as well. So this also sits in your favor. Trillions in idle capital. On a recent All In podcast, they mentioned there's basically about $5 trillion sitting on the sidelines. And effectively in the next 12 months, if sort of 20 to 30% of that looks to actually enter the market, you're going to see significant investment both in the public and also in the private market, which means us as innovation companies will benefit from this money coming back into the system. But the reality is you cannot sell a secret. So the best thing for you to do to get in front of that is make yourself as visible as possible, because effectively to take advantage of these opportunities, we've got to become top of mind awareness for potential investors when they're looking at deploying capital. The other bullish indicator is the easing inflation and expected interest rate cuts in 2024. We all know now that the zero interest rate period effectively allowed for a lot of investment to come into the innovation space because money was so cheap. Now that interest rates and inflation has come back under control, once you start seeing interest rates being cut, wait till you see the amount of money that starts to re-enter the innovation space, which means for us as passionate builders in this space, or even as investors in this space, which I know some of you sit on both sides, this represents a very exciting opportunity. Now, if you're looking to amplify your start to 2024, I'm going to highly recommend you register interest in our upcoming Emergence 2024 conference. One of the unique things we do is we basically bring together investors from around Australia, whether they be high net worth, family offices, professional investors, etc., and we provide them with direct access to private market and small cap opportunities. So this will be your opportunity to get in front of investors directly in the next couple months. We're going to be hosting on Feb 28th and 29th in Sydney at the Hilton Hotel, and then March 19th at Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Now, if you're watching this video after these dates, obviously this is no longer relevant, right? But these events are very unique, and every single year we see millions of dollars invested into the companies that are actually featured at the conferences. We want to give you the opportunity to participate. If you're currently in cap raising mode, or you're looking to start capital raising in the next 3 to 6 months, these are the ultimate venues to start building your investor interest pipeline. To learn more, check the details in the description box, click on the link, and you'll be able to access more information about the upcoming Emergence Conference series.